Hi, this is Michelle from Life School, and today I'm going to show you how to slice an avocado without hurting yourself. So there's a term, it's called avocado hand, and apparently it refers to someone slicing an avocado with a knife and doing it dangerously. This is a very common thing that shows up in the ER. So we're going to show you how to slice an avocado neatly, and let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you're going to do is get a sharp knife and an avocado and a cutting board. Note that I have secured the cutting board with a kitchen towel underneath it. So we're going to slice lengthwise around the pit and then turn like this to expose the pit. The next thing we're going to do is whack the pit and turn it. You can then remove the pit. And then be careful here to get your fingers out of the way and just slice, even slices like this. You can take a spoon and scoop the avocado out. Another option you can do if you want to cube the avocado is just do those slices again and then cube them. And now you have cubed avocado and a little mash on the top. Great for toast and smoothies and anything else you want to have with avocado. All right, thanks for watching. Enjoy.